Good morning. So I'm off to pick up a new engine and full drivetrain for the S13. So the last couple years the car has made like 250, 260 wheel horsepower. I ran T28 for a while, then a 2863. It did make like 300 horsepower at the last Gambler, but that's the peak it's ever made. So I'm gonna sell that SR and the Z32 swap. I've got a new engine for it, which is gonna be a little bit more competitive. So we'll see what it is. Hopefully it's not a LS, but it might be an LS. Let's go see. Look at this fucking thing. Rock just flew up. I'm watching this crack grow. As I'm driving, it's just inching along. Damn, oh, that one just took a turn. It's going down. That's fun. Alright, here we are. Let's see what we got. See some cop cars, junk removal, it's a good sign. I love junk. See a really mint Jeep. Shitty Ford. Yeah.
Welcome.
Oh my God, nobody look! Nobody look! Nobody look! Nobody look! Nobody look! Nobody look!
It hasn't moved in a long time.
Yeah, like the jacks.
Like under this.
Jack stands were like welded to it. Here's the new engine. 4-liter Jeep. Thanks, Hop.
You're fine.
We'll put this 4-liter in the S13. Look at this thing lifted out of here and pull the engine out. So going for a ride here. Gonna hop. Trolling us out back. Oh, we're getting somewhere. Try and steer this thing in here. Oh, oh, oh. Get a little crazy. This thing doesn't steer at all. Oh yeah, there we go. Alright, we're getting in. It's a weird feeling here. A little bit of scraping. Oh! Alright, we're getting there. Let's see. Oh, oh. The loader pushing us in. Oh, we're stuck on a bump. Stuck on a bump. Hey! Oh God! Oh my God. This might work.
Alright.
I thought we were going in the S13.
No, I knew I had it. Holy shit.
I was trying to turn the wheel.
Did you film any of that?
Yeah, I just did now, so I'll put it on for you.
Potentially gonna fall off the jack. What do you have? A little for this like that, man. Oh. Good. Yeah. That's fine. All right.
All right, so I fucked up when I was filming. This camera has a button right next to record, which like turns it into slow-mo. If you go in slow-mo, you lose the audio. So I missed the entire like engine removal and like the once over on what the engine actually is. It's not a Jeep 4-liter, it's an SR20. So I'll go through it now. As you can tell, that was my buddy Brian Hop's old engine. So this came out of his brown car, and Hop always does like really nice stuff. So S13 SR, got the VVT, which will be sweet. It's a lot of extra power, better manifold. It's got a radium rail setup, bigger injectors in here. I don't know what they are. I run 1050s in the SR now, probably about the same. Oh, yeah, GK fan. He's got a bunch of little like tiny mods, newer engine mounts and stuff. This is a build engine though, so it's forged piston rod. It's 10-to-1 compression. That's pretty sweet. And it's got a 2871. Top mount versus mine is currently bottom mount. I'm not sure if I'll leave it this way. It is a good manifold. I don't actually know what the manifold is, but it looks like Schedule 40. And it's got like some decent TIGs on there, so I don't know what this thing is. Brian doesn't buy cheap shit though, so it's probably a good manifold. Let's see from the top. Oh, Future Fab. There it is, Future Fab. Yeah, they make nice stuff. So I might keep the top mount. I actually like the mid mount and bottom mount sounds the most. So maybe I'll move it, I'm not sure. It is V-band, which is sick. So I can swap it out. It's got a 44 external tile. Cool little neck setup on it. Yeah, Mazworks adapter to a CD. I'm kind of iffy on CDs, they hang super low. I really don't like, not being able to drop the car much, even though my cars are pretty tall these days. 6 speeds, I guess that'll be nice. And then comes with like a stock harness. He's on Power FC, so I'm going to ditch the Power FC, switch over to a Link. I'm going to go through the harness. There is some like little wiring gremlins, so I'll go through there and fix all that. Maybe even swap out to a new harness. But it came from drive shaft to intercooler. It's all here. We've got this nice like treadstone setup. That's a sweet intercooler. He balled out on this full titanium exhaust. Like, I've never had titanium before. It's starting to blue a little bit. That's pretty fancy. We even got titanium intercooler piping. So this whole shelf here all goes with it. Pretty sick deal. I'm also stealing some stuff from the JZX. So I've got my old Fuel Lab surge tank. That'll go in there. That's a lift pump setup and everything for it. I've got some extra Link sensors. Action clutch. So this whole shelf here is basically like the S13 shelf. So it should get me pretty set up. The goal with this car is not be like too wild. It currently makes like 250, 260. Well, it made 250, 260 all year. Makes 300 right now. It's a little bit stretched out for what it is. So I'm going to pull the engine, trans, everything, and just sell it complete. Compression's really good. The car runs good. So I want to keep it as like one whole unit and then just sell the thing. Throw the next SR in, probably make like detune it's about 350 on ethanol. I think that's more than enough. So yeah, we'll probably get to work on that soon. It's almost like Christmas. So once that starts slowing down, I'll start tearing into it. And then this old guy here will get swapped out. And that will go in. But we're not going to do it today. I want to keep the garage kind of clean for a little bit. So I'm just going to end the video a little bit early and then start building it soon. Okay, bye.